In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Steam Workshop files. Whether you're looking to share your custom mods or other content with friends, this simple process will have you sharing in no time. First, we'll begin by opening the Steam app on your computer. It's likely located in your list of applications or directly on your desktop, so just go ahead and double click that familiar Steam icon. Once Steam is up and running, you will be greeted by the login screen if you're not already logged in. Here, you'll want to click on the login button to continue. After hitting login, the next step is to enter your account name and password. Always ensure that your passwords are kept private and secure, as your Steam account contains important and personal game data. Once you've carefully typed in your credentials, click on Sign In. If everything checks out, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage. From the homepage, we'll navigate over to the Library section. This is the hub for all your installed games, and it's conveniently located in the top menu. Click on Library and you'll see a list of all the games you currently have installed on your account. Now you'll want to select the game for which you want to share workshop files. Simply find the game in your list and click on it. With the game selected, look for the workshop option. It's usually found in the menu below the game's title or description. Click on workshop and you'll enter a space dedicated to all things related to modifications and community created content for your game. Next, we need to locate the specific files you want to share. This can be done by heading over to the subscribed items section within the workshop. This area lists all the mods and extras you've previously subscribed to and downloaded for that game. Now click on the mod or item you wish to share. Each item typically has its own page with details and options. Once you're on the items page, look for a share button and click it. Sharing options should appear, usually including a direct link to the mod. Copy this link directly from the site. This will ensure that anybody with the link will be able to access the workshop item you're sharing. Finally, you'll want to head over to your friends list. Open your friends list from within Steam, find the friend you'd like to share this with, and send them the copied link. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a Steam Workshop file with a friend. In just a few minutes, you can easily begin spreading your favorite mods and community-made content to enhance everyone's gaming experience. Keep exploring and experimenting with what the community has to offer, and enjoy bringing others along for the ride.